So I'm going to kind of use this screencast as a diary of what I've done so far. So I'll quickly run through. What I have loaded in is a terrain ASCII file, just a random sample file because I can't seem to get the American Samoa ones done. So I'll use this one as a test and hopefully apply the code to the American Samoa. So we've got a terrain file, and I've also put a turtle on top, just one turtle. Here we go, create turtles and randomly set where they are. And I've put the size to 10 so that it's nice and big so that we can see it. So what I've managed to do here is, so when we hit go, the turtles randomly choose a heading and then move one square or one patch forward. But these two lines of code here are what are interesting. So we've set the parameter of height, which the turtles own, and what it does, it takes the patch on the raster and it takes the value of that raster. So we're asking it here, from elevation, take the value of the patch that you're on and assign it to the variable height. And then for set label height, that simply displays a label next to the turtle of the height that they're currently on. So if we go back, we've already loaded GIS, and if we just hit go, you can see our turtle's moving around randomly. But if you see here, the small white number, that's the elevation of the terrain underneath. So that's kind of the first step towards hopefully implementing our model and taking that elevation data and implementing it somehow. So, you know, if they get to over 40 meters above sea level, they know they're probably going to be safe and they'll stop moving, for example, something like that. So that's that one. And this one on the left is almost the same code. It's almost identical, apart from I just wanted to test that this height variable, we could do something with it. So I put a couple of if statements in. So on this terrain, if the height is more than 2,000, it will be green. Between 1,000 and 2,000, it will be yellow, and below 1,000, it will be red. So if we set that off, okay, it's green, yellow, oh, and red as well. So we know that we can take that height information in the variable and actually do something with it now, if we ever get around to American Samoa.